Got a lot of nice natural boulders that came out of this hole here. It's sandstone rocks, which really need to be placed with a sling. They're real easy to break right in half and ruin the look of them. I'm gonna jump up here real quick. Get down in here. The problem that we're having with this hole, well, somewhere up yonder, we got an excess of water just rolling through here. So there's Mr. Operator over there. He's trying to dig us a trench so this thing just won't drain. So it's got a huge, big old mud pit here. So underground stream, or he's got a water leak up top, but we're going to get to the bottom.